Steps to make banana bread. Ingredients required. 250 grams all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 115 grams unsalted butter. 150 grams dark brown sugar. 2 large eggs. 80 grams plain yogurt. 4 large mashed bananas. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Adjust the oven rack to the lower third position and preheat the oven to 177 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 x 5-inch loaf pan or coat with nonstick spray. Set aside. Step 2. Whisk the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon together in a large bowl. Step 3. Using a handheld or stand mixer fitted with a paddle or whisk attachment, beat the butter and brown sugar together on high speed until smooth and creamy, about 2 minutes. On medium speed, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Step 4. Beat in the yogurt, mashed bananas, and vanilla extract on medium speed until combined. With the mixer running on low speed, slowly beat the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until no flour pockets remain. Do not overmix. Step 5. Spoon the batter into the prepared baking pan and bake for 60 to 65 minutes. Loosely cover the bread with aluminum foil after 30 minutes to help prevent the top and sides from getting too brown. A toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf will come out clean when the bread is done. Step 6. Remove from the oven and allow the bread to cool completely in the pan set on a wire rack. Step 7. Cover and store banana bread at room temperature for 2 days.